Hi, my name is Gourav Rai. I'm a director and a partner at the Purple Turtles, which is what you see. Purple Turtles is a home decor brand. We have retail stores across Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. We also do a lot of interesting projects across the globe and projects across categories like corporates, hospitality, and we do a lot of large airports. The recent large airport that we've done is the Bangalore International Terminal 2, where we've done all the lighting installations. We've done a lot of interesting other design installations. As far as our products are concerned, we are a very proud Indian brand, started in 2009, and we have a range of home decor products. Right from furniture to artifacts, decorative lights, very interesting paintings. So when you come to our store, you will see a lot of interesting decor products. Our store is in Hyderabad. Our store is in road number 45. And participating in the IIID showcase event has been exciting for us because we are relatively new in Hyderabad. We are from Bangalore originally, although we work on a lot of projects in Hyderabad over the many years that we've been here. But IIID gives us that platform to engage with the stalwarts of the industry in Hyderabad and in this market, and we're really excited to meet all of them and showcase our work. And let's see how that goes from here. So we're really excited to be here, and please do visit our store in road number 45. Thank you. So yeah, so if you see this product itself, so some of our interesting products that we kind of source across, and it's a one-off piece. We don't have two of the same piece. It's a old piece which is restored, upcycled wood. It's a one-off statement piece. So like such products are rare to find, and we have a large sourcing team. We travel a lot. We kind of source interesting products, one-off pieces. So yeah, if you come to our store, you will see interesting products like these. We do a lot of like if you see those lights there, so we do a lot of interesting customization of lights. We work a lot with waste. That's actually banana fiber, where we make handmade papers. Lights out of that. So, and then of course we do a lot of other interesting lights, like the one that you see there on top is made out of quarry dust, again waste, but it looks exactly like cement. We're able to make interesting designs, shapes with that. So we focus a lot on innovation. We work with architects a lot. We try and customize as much as possible, get the design intent right, and we work with multiple materials. Materials is not something which we are restricted with. We work with wood. We work with banana fiber paper. We work with metal, acrylic, fabric. A lot of interesting materials is what we work with.